Hey folks, it's Connor with Honor, your first responder realtor in Santa Clarita. Let's cut through the fluff and drive straight into today's real estate market update. As of October 25th, that's the 299th day of 2024. Here is where we stand. Right now, we have 555 active residential homes on the market here in Santa Clarita. That's everything. That's going to include the condos, townhomes, single-family homes, and everything either attached or detached. Let's break it down and look at each category and see what that really means for you. There are 9 homes about to hit the market. Those are coming soon listings. That's going to be a heads up for buyers. If you're serious and looking for real estate, the only way you access these is via an agent sending you the coming soon listings, so make sure you reach out. You can find more information about that at santaclaritaopenhouses.com. We have 60 listings that are about to in the last 7 days. That's definitely a fresh crop for buyers looking to snag something that fits their needs before they're gone. 97 listings have adjusted their prices. This is where sellers are getting real with the market. That's the same number as we had yesterday for the 7-day recap. If you're a buyer, this is definitely a time to see if those adjustments fit your budget. 19 properties are back on the market after falling out of contract. That's a second shot for buyers who missed them the first time around. 31 properties are already under contract, but still open to backup offers. If you're willing to be patient, backup offers are one way to get into a competitive market. You can look at the amount of listings, almost 30%, that come back on the market. It's not a bad bet to make. We have 41 listings or 41 homes in the final stages before closing. They are practically out the door, but it's a good marker for what's about to come off of the market. In the last stretch, 47 properties have sold in the past 7 days, showing there is very solid demand here in Santa Clarita Valley. 6 homes couldn't get it done. They actually expired during their contractual time frame. That's something to maybe pay attention to. If your agent is savvy, they should be hunting properties just like that because there might be a deal to be had. 15 sellers pulled back and canceled their listings. They decided it's not the time, but they might circle back around. 9 listings are on hold, whether it's seasonal timing or a quick fix. Out there right now, but they are definitely in the wings. And of course, we don't have any withdrawn listings in the past 7 days. Santa Clarita is moving. Whether you're buying or selling, need to keep an eye on these numbers to stay sharp. If you want to get in or out of the market, I'm here to make sure you're informed every step of the way. Let's discuss the properties when people are writing offers, that offering strategy. One of the things I explain to my clients, if they're looking at properties that happen to be above where they're qualified for, it doesn't hurt to write that offer at the amount that they see fit. If in fact they go in under what the offering or listing price is, usually, as long as it's not $1 for $1 million property like the old Price is Right game, usually it's not going to be offensive to the seller, and it might open the room for negotiation. And in fact, you never know, but a lot of times for my clients, those offers get accepted or countered at a point where my buyers can now afford it, and that's going to be less than the offering price. So don't get caught up in the listing price. If you like something and you can be relatively close or at least close to the market value, it's not a bad idea to write that offer anyway. Any agent worth their salt should be willing to do this for you. I'm Connor with Honor. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Please don't forget to look at www.santaclaritaopenhouses.com. All the listings are posted there, not just open, but everything. It's completely unlocked, and it would be my honor. Have a great day. I'm Connor with Honor, saving the world one honest sale at a time. Over and out.